What up, YouTube? This is your president, the presidential tourist, back with a really cool, exciting video. Definitely exciting for me. Coca Cola recently came out with a new limited edition flavored cola. And let me read the description about it. Of course, you already know, as you'll see the title of this video. Coca Cola Zero Sugar Byte. I bought the limited edition specialty box, which is in here. Inspired by gaming, Coca Cola Zero Sugar Byte invites you to explore what pixels might taste like with a refreshing new yet deliciously familiar Coke flavor experience. Each limited edition special box includes 2 12-ounce Coca Cola Zero Sugar Byte cans, 1 Coca Cola Byte sugar, access to AR game. Details: limited edition Coca Cola beverage celebrates everyday magical pixels. Is bright up front, is reminiscent of powering up a game, and its refreshing finish makes for a perfect gaming companion. Cola Zero Sugar will be available to purchase in special. Okay, blah blah blah. You already know that part. Okay. I thought I've read they only made 25,000 of these cans. Now you can only buy up to 3 boxes of it. Well, I actually purchased 3, and this is one of them right here. I just got it in a short time ago. I'm going to do an unboxing video of it in this video, and then I'm going to do a taste test version, a video of it, and another video. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, it comes in a clear box. Here it is. Okay. Now let's open this bad boy up, shall we? I am quite excited. Oh. It's always cool to try a new pop, especially one that's limited like this. Ooh. Oh. Yeah. Ooh. Whoa. Look at this. Limited edition flavor, taste the magic of pixels. Coca Cola Byte. This is freaking awesome. Yeah. Okay. Let's open it up. Ooh. Here's what it looks like. Then there's a little card right there here. Let's look at that first. Basically just gives you the information about what I read to you. Oop, blurry for some reason. Wait a second. Don't know why you're going blurry. Give me a second. Come on, there you go. Card looks like. I won't be able to read it very well, but basically gives you team up in our Coca Cola Zero Sugar Byte Island create in Fortnite with PWR and fill with super fun mini games. If you and your squad play our augmented reality game when you scan your can of Coca Cola Zero Byte sugar. Discover exclusive drops and more from Coca Cola creation. Okay. Now it says here to lift up, which is what I'm going to do. By limited edition flavor, lift here. Oh. Look at that. There they are. Let's pull one out. I'm trying to get it so I can just pull one out. I might have to pull the whole thing. Just show the cans in a minute. Here is the sticker that you get. Coca Cola Byte. And then other than that, this is empty now. So let's put this bad boy over there. Here they are. Back looks like you have a hole here so you can push it to the can. Look how awesome that looks. And it's warm because you'll be on the truck. On my front porch for about a minute or so. I was waiting all day for this. Byte limited edition Coca Cola Zero Sugar. Okay. I'm going to do a video on this very soon. Or a review video. Actually, I'm going to put this in the fridge till I get at least semi-cold. And then review video time. I am excited. Alright, any comments, questions, let me know. This was about 14 something for a case. $14, I think some odd cents. I don't remember what it was. I ended up buying 3 of them with taxes and shipping, and it cost me a little over $50, I believe, for basically 6 cans. But I am such a pop enthusiast. I love trying new things, especially limited flavors. I had to get this, and I'm very excited. So, yeah. And if I don't understand, maybe I'm wrong, but they only made like 25,000 of these cans. So, I got 6 of them. So there's not a lot of them out there, if I'm correct by what I read. But okay, let me get this cold because I really want to try this really, really bad. And I don't want to dilute it with ice. Alright, any comments, questions, let me know. Thanks for watching. Bye everybody, bye. I hope you enjoyed this video. Alright, see ya.